guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. Today I am going to show you how to take a t-shirt and make a simple face mask. So it just takes a little bit. First you are going to want to take your t-shirt and spread it out flat, and you're going to want it to be 2 layers, and we're just going to simply take our ruler and we are just going to cut a rectangle. So we are going to make the sides of our rectangle 8 inches long, and the other sides we're going to make them 5 inches long. So 8 by 5. Okay, so the longer sides are 8 inches and the shorter sides are 5 inches. And so the t-shirt is just laying flat, it's doubled, so I'm just going to cut out the rectangle. Okay, so now I have my rectangle cut out. So we have 2 layers here. Now I'm going to fold it in half, press it flat, and I'm just going to kind of make a little, I don't have mine lined up perfect. You need to have your corners lined up good. And then I'm just going to kind of make an arch on the ends. Now you don't have to do this if you don't want to, but just kind of give it a little bit of a curve to it. Okay, so this is how it looks. And now we're going to fold it in half one more time, just like that. Make sure you line it up. And then I'm just going to cut, about a finger width over. I'm just going to cut about, let me get my ruler. So I'm going to cut, about an inch and not quite a half straight line. You do not want to cut to the very end, so move over a finger's width and then just cut about an inch and almost a half. Okay, so this is the folded side of my mask, and I left about a finger's width and I cut up about an inch and almost a half, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other end. Okay, now when you open it up, this is your spots for your left ear and for your right ear. So all you have to do is pick up your face mask, and you're going to slide one side over one ear and the other side over the other ear, and that's it. Okay guys, so this is how it looks on. Now you can, if you have a bigger face, you can always make the mask a little bit longer. So where I made mine 8, you might want to do yours maybe like 9 by 6 instead of 8 by 5. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and just be safe guys. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share.